Hey there, curious minds and history enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered where your favorite brands make their products? Why do they choose these locations? And how did these places become manufacturing powerhouses? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of popular brands and their largest manufacturing hubs. Welcome to our channel, where we unravel the stories from all around the world. Before we delve into our countdown, make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to share some intriguing facts about these brands that you probably never knew. At 5th position, we have Samsung. Starting our journey at number 5, we head to South Korea and Vietnam, where Samsung, a tech titan, has established its dominance. South Korea, home to Samsung's innovation, is where it all began. The blend of skilled workforce and cutting-edge technology in South Korea paved the way for Samsung's global success. Moving over to Vietnam, Samsung found the perfect blend of cost-effectiveness and skilled labor, making it a key player in their global strategy. In 4th position is Apple. Moving up to number 4, we find ourselves in China and Taiwan, where Apple, the tech giant, crafts its sleek devices. China's vast resources and skilled labor pool have made it an ideal location for Apple's complex manufacturing needs. Meanwhile, Taiwan, with its technological prowess, plays a crucial role in the manufacturing of Apple's sophisticated components. At number 3 comes Microsoft, a leader in technology with its manufacturing hubs in China and the USA. China offers Microsoft scalability and efficiency, crucial for its wide range of products. Back home in the USA, Microsoft leverages the country's advanced technology and skilled workforce to innovate and maintain quality standards. In 2nd position, we have Amazon. Number 2 takes us to China and the USA, where Amazon, the e-commerce giant, streamlines its production. China's manufacturing capabilities enable Amazon to produce a vast array of products efficiently. In the USA, Amazon focuses on high-tech and innovative products, benefiting from America's technological advancements. And at the top spot is Nike. Finally, at the top, we travel through China, Vietnam, Indonesia, Thailand, and India, where Nike, the sportswear leader, sprints ahead. Each country offers Nike unique advantages, from China's massive production capacity to Vietnam's growing skilled workforce and India's competitive costs. Together, they form the backbone of Nike's global supply chain. Now, as promised, here are 5 fascinating facts about each brand. 1. Did you know that Samsung contributes significantly to South Korea's GDP, showcasing its economic impact? 2. Apple's Taiwan-based suppliers are pivotal in the research and development of new technologies. 3. Microsoft's USA facilities are often at the forefront of environmental sustainability initiatives. 4. Amazon's Chinese factories are integral to its vast product range, from electronics to home goods. 5. Nike's Indonesian factories are known for their commitment to improving labor conditions. Which of these manufacturing hubs surprised you the most? Drop a comment and let us know. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for our channel. Your engagement helps us bring more fascinating content your way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep seeking and keep learning.